In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a Docusign document for signature. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is docusign.com. From in there, you should be able to see this. Now, from in there, you can either log in or also sign up. You can head over and input right here your email and click onto this get started in order to successfully sign up, and then just follow the on-screen instructions in order to do the sign up option. Now, from in there, once you have successfully signed up, this is what it looks like. So in order to create a document, what we can do is we can head over and then do so by sorting or using some templates available. So you can click on this browse all templates. And in here, you can see some started templates as well as templates that you have created. We have in here purchase order, sales contract, statement work, and a lot more option right there. So for example, right here, let's choose this option for this part. Like for example, let's choose this employment eligibility. You can click onto the selected and click onto this add selected option. Now this will load in order to load the template that we have made. Now into this, you can just head over and then input your files that is added to this one. However, if you want this, you can also input the signing order. For example, you can input right here the name of the person that will sign and input right here their email. Then after you have inputted that, next thing that you need to do is to input right here the message, email message, and the likes. You can also choose if you're the only signer as well. So for this case, I'll just choose the only signer. And for this case, let's click onto this sign option right here. Now, once you have done that, it should be able to allow you to sign this particular document and it should be created and you can head over and then download it to your liking. So that's how you create a DocuSign document for signature. Hope we helped.